Hi guys! Today's video is going to be my January Lumi Box video, and I'm just realizing now that I actually haven't said Happy New Year in any of my videos that I have posted this year, so I apologize for that. Happy New Year everyone! I hope you have had a great start to your 2022, and if not, I hope it gets better from here. It's good to see that we have survived 2021 just like we survived 2020. Hopefully 2022 is a bit kinder than the last 2 years have been on us all. But anyway, let's hope we all have a great year this year because I think we all really need it, let's be honest. But anyway, let's get into the Lumi Box unboxing because that is what we are here for. The theme of the January box is 2022, the year of you, which is super cute. I actually did discuss things with friends like a few weeks ago, what we wanted our this year to be, and I did say that I wanted this year to be more about making myself happy and working towards being a happier person all round. So I think that the year of you is such a great theme for me as well as for everybody, I think it's such an important thing. Sometimes we all just forget to take care of ourselves, and it's so important that we put ourselves first because no one else is going to. So somebody's got it. But anyway, let's jump into this. I have already done almost my entire face of makeup because there is only one makeup product in this box this month. The rest of it has been skincare sort of things and hair care sort of things. But anyway, let's just jump straight into this. I'm going to start with the only makeup products because then my makeup will be complete. You may have guessed it is a lip product. It is the Chella lipstick pencil in the shade Wine. This is a luxurious creamy product with a high color payoff. It has a silky matte formula which is drenched in vitamin C and E and sunflower oil. It is waterproof, non-feathering, and long wearing for up to 6 hours. So I'm super freaking excited to try this. I actually really like the color. The smell is very strong. It is peppermint, but this on the back of my hand, it looks insane. I really like it. I'm really excited to give this a go. I did a simple one eyeshadow on my eyelid. I'm worried I picked a too red eyeshadow now, but let's chuck this on and see how we go. I have not worn a deep lip for some time, so I'm this is so weird seeing myself with such dark lipstick, but I am loving it. It feels quite creamy, but I feel the more I'm wearing it, the more it's drying down. I will say I do have a slight tingling sensation from it, which is weird, but I think it's because it's such a strong minty scent. I feel the mint is making my lips tingle. And it does say it's got peppermint oil in it, which is where the minty smell is coming from. And I can still smell it from my lips, I think. I am really liking this. I think it's a gorgeous color. Super deep. Super red, but a wine red, which is stunning. I always love a good red. I just never, ever reach for them. But I'm going to have to start reaching for them more often because every time I put them on, I'm always oh, it's so exciting. I feel so strong, independent woman wearing red lipstick. I don't know if that's a thing, but it just feels it feels powerful. A red lip feels powerful to me. But anyway, I'm loving this so far. Sorry guys, I realized I did not have my microphone attached for the first part of this video, so I apologize if the sound quality is a lot different. Hopefully I can fix it up when I'm editing it. But anyway, as I was saying, I absolutely love this lip product. I think it's stunning. I love the shade and I'm hoping to reach for it more in the future because I never really reach for reds. I always just grab nude sort of lip balmy things as I walk out the door. But I love a good, powerful, strong statement red lip, and I feel this is it. This is it. Especially for winter, autumn and winter, I reckon I will wear this all the time. I'm hoping. We'll see. It still feels comfortable. The tiniest bit tacky and a little bit creamy, but almost a little bit powdery too. So I don't know, but it's not drying out my lips or anything like that. And if you were wondering, this RRP is for $30. But anyway, the next product that I got is the Amoris Beauty Hairstyling Wand. It is designed to provide a long-lasting solution to tame flyaways, frizz, and baby hairs in seconds without the greasy, wet look or need for hairspray and bobby pins. And it retails for $29.95. It actually smells pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, you know what? It smells kind of like perfume, but also kind of like hairspray. So there is that like strong smell in there. I did just wash my hair like before filming this video, so I'm hesitant to put it in, but I do have frizzy or like little baby hairs and, you know, frizz up here that I'm like, oh, maybe I should try fixing it. I hope you guys can see this. So this is one of those like clear mascaras. Ooh. That you just like brush through your hair like so, and it like holds everything down. I feel like that's worked, except I've like zhuzhed it out to the side a little. Oh no, okay, so it does feel a little bit tacky on top, which I don't love, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm like, oh, well, I shouldn't have put that in my brand new clean hair. Oh well, hopefully it's one of those hairspray sort of things that like brush out, so it's not gonna like, you know, my hair's not gonna feel tacky up here for days. But I'm not sure if you could have seen the hairs before, but I 100% can see a difference. Like there were all these like little baby hairs, like, or just like frizzy hairs sticking up here, and now they're all like tamed, stuck to my other hairs, which is awesome. We have previously gotten the, I think it's called the Slick Stick, which is like a very similar product to this, another hairstyling like mascara, clear mascara sort of thing, and I thought that one was good too. I'm not gonna lie though, I don't often reach for this sort of product just because I never slick my hair back. Excuse me. I think I'm choking on this peppermint scent. This happened to me the other day with lip balm. I put a lip balm on that was like peppermint scented, and I inhaled and it tickled my throat so bad that I coughed for like 5 minutes, and then I could barely talk for 2 days because I'd scratched my throat so bad. I had to keep taking lozenges. It was horrible. But anyway, back to this. I just don't reach for that one that much, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to reach for this one. I'm not gonna lie though, I've also never used it like this before to tame the frizz once I've like curled my hair, which I always have like a lot of frizz. Like I always have a lot of like hair growth here, like just like thick baby sort of hairs, like shorter hairs that just stick up. So I actually, you know, might start reaching for this more for this purpose. I've just never thought to use it like that before. So maybe now I will reach for my Slick Stick and this. It definitely does feel like a little like tacky. Like there's definitely something there. Like it's not like it's sticking to my hair, but it's like, you know how hairspray can be like firm? It's like firm. I feel like I'm rubbing it out. But anyway, it obviously does a damn good job of what it is supposed to do, like taming the frizz. And it's easy to use as well. It's not like with hairspray. If you were using hairspray to do this, I think you have to spray the hairbrush or a comb and then like brush it through your hair. Whereas this, it already comes with a brush, like a mascara wand that you can pop in your hair, which is awesome. So it is like a really good product, and if you would use it, I definitely think they are great. But it's just with me, I have not personally used them very much in the past, but that's not to say that that will change in the future, especially now that I've done this bad boy. Look at that, all my baby hair is gone. Okay, so now I have 2 products that I have used this morning before I washed my hair. I don't know if I've told you this before, but hair washing day for me, I always do a face mask on hair washing day. Usually I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, and I will also do like some form of face mask, like usually like one of the ones you put on, not like a sheet mask. And so we got a face mask in this box, which we also did in last box, in the December Lumi box. We got a face mask in that too. And I really liked that because it was one of those roll-on ones that you like roll out and then you roll on your face. This one is very different to anything that I've ever used before, and I will show you why. It is the Mary Grace Pink Clay Sensitive Face Mask, which is a super fine French pink clay face mask. It is gentle on the skin, yet powerful in its benefits, perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It cleanses and calms. It is different because it is a loose powder clay mask. So with this, you add water to the powder and then you mix it up and then put it on your face. And I will say as well, they did give me another product with this. It is the Mary Grace Mask Applicator brush, and it is this very beautiful synthetic head brush, and it's perfect apparently for applying the pink clay face mask. They say that it is the softest thing you will ever put on your skin, which it's pretty soft, but it's not the softest brush I've ever used. But like, it's nice when you do this. And it did put the mask on very well. I did accidentally use too much water, so I had to add tons more powder. Maybe too much more. Well, I mean, I had to add enough powder to make the mask the correct consistency, and there was a lot left over, I'm not gonna lie, and I had such a thick mask, and I took it down my neck. Usually I don't take them down my neck, but I really should. But I did like this brush, and I have wanted to get one of these mask applying brushes for so freaking long. I don't know why. I guess because I use masks so much, I'm always like using my hands, and then it just gets stuck in my nails and in my nail bed, like around my cuticles. So I'm excited to have a brush, and that one actually, it says it does double for a foundation brush as well. But going back to the mask, I did really enjoy it. I do love a good clay mask, and this one definitely was a good clay mask. It felt very like cleansing. It didn't feel super hydrating. Like sometimes they feel like cleansing and hydrating, sometimes they don't. And this one felt definitely more like cleansing. Like I felt like my face was like clean, like my pores and stuff after it. And it did make my pores look quite small after as well, I think. See if you can see in the footage. I'm not sure if you can see my pores in the camera. But anyway, I actually really liked this mask. I'm not sure if I prefer the December mask. I think maybe a little bit because it already came made. Like I didn't have to mix it in a bowl. And also this one, it comes with a little spatula, which is really cute. So you can like spatula into a bowl the desired amount of the powder you want. The seal was like open. So when I opened it, there was just clay, like powdered clay all over my bench, which was fun. But anyway, it does say that it's pure clay. So it said on the thing, that the description on the box, that it was only one ingredient, and the only ingredient in this is clay, which is really interesting. But anyway, I feel like it worked for my skin. I will keep using it in future, and I will let you know eventually in an empties. I do have a lot of masks going at the moment, so my mask empty video will be I just realized I didn't actually say before, the mask retails for $45 and the brush retails for $15. Next up is the last product, which is the Vita Olie Focus Roller. So this is actually one of those essential oil rollers, and it has clarifying effects and helps to improve your focus, concentration, attention span, and alertness. It helps to overcome nervous fatigue and silence a busy mind. It promotes motivation, boosts productivity, and helps you to absorb information when studying or learning new tasks, which is freaking awesome because I'm not good at focusing, especially when I'm stressed and like nervous. So I'm hoping this will really help me, especially like I'm still learning my job that I got recently, so there's like a lot of stuff I have to learn in it, so it's just really hard for me to remember it all, and it can be like a bit stressful at times because my brain is just like freaking out. It's like, oh, there's this, there's all these things I have to do. And so I actually think this will really help me. And it smells really nice. It's only got 4 ingredients, and it says it's coconut oil, rosemary, lemon, and peppermint. So I don't actually know if this has essential oils in it. Like it has coconut oil, but it doesn't say rosemary oil, lemon oil, or peppermint oil. It just says rosemary, lemon, and peppermint. So I feel like it's not made of essential oils. I feel like it's made of things. But it smells, oh, I just got on my nose. It smells really good, and I'm really actually happy that I got this. And my sister, when she opened the box, she actually was like, oh my god, I want this. She thought it was cool. She's just started a new job too, so we both have like the same issues going on with like stress and like learning new things and trying to retain information. I've never been good at studying. Not in high school, not in university, not ever. But anyway, guys, oh, and I didn't say, this baby retails for $24.95 if you're interested. And that is the last product in my January box. So the entire contents of this box adds up to $144.90, which is pretty freaking great considering I only paid $49 for this box. This is the base box, which I didn't say before, and Lumi Box you can buy a premium or a base box. The base box is $49 and the premium box is $99. If you are interested in subscribing as well, I have a code that will get you 10% off your first subscription box if you would like to give it a go. It is just in my description box below. But anyway guys, that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I did or any of the products I used, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too, and hopefully I'll see you soon. If I didn't say before, I don't know. I did like the mask. It was, oh my god, what am I saying? Okay guys, so the entire